So WeWork just unveiling its IPO filing literally moments ago. This one we've all been waiting for, and Leslie Picker is going through the filing as we speak. Good morning.
Hey, Andrew, that's right. Hundreds of pages long this filing is. They're filing with a placeholder of $1 billion. The actual offering size for WeWork is likely to be much, much larger. According to sources, about 3 times that amount. As you mentioned earlier, filing with 3 classes of stock, an A class, a B class, and a C class. The ticker symbol will be WE. If you recall, they rebranded the company to be the We Company. We all know them much more commonly as WeWork. Interestingly, they do not have banks on the cover, which is more common, but they do have them in the underwriting section. The underwriters, it's going to be led by JP Morgan, followed by Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Barclays, Citi, Credit Suisse, HSBC. The list goes on and on, as you can imagine. Right. A lot of these firms are also participating in the credit facility that they're raising alongside of this IPO.
So they description of that?
There is a description of indebtedness in this IPO prospectus where they talk about various facilities, and they say that in May 2019, they entered into an agreement that provides an additional $200 million in availability of standby letters of credit. We expect to replace the bank facilities with 2019 credit facility concurrently with the closing of this offering. So they do mention it. They don't mention the amount, although I'm told that the credit facility as well as a loan offering that they're looking at should amount to about $6 billion, in addition to the proceeds, the equity proceeds that they will make from this IPO as well. So still going through, as I mentioned, it's hundreds and hundreds of pages. The risk factors so far are kind of exactly what you'd expect. You know, we've been growing at a very quick pace. We may or may not be able to maintain that pace of growth that we've had so far.
Do we have any numbers in terms of how much money they're making or losing right now? And I'm assuming losing.
We do. The most recent date from which they posted is the 6 months ended June 30th. Okay. They say revenue was $1.5 billion. Losses, which I know everyone's keenly interested in here, net losses were just under $1 billion, $904 million. But losses from operations came in significantly higher than that at $1.4 billion. So you're seeing almost a 1-to-1 ratio of losses to revenue when you look at losses from operations.